everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the cosmic mysteries surrounding one of the most intriguing stars in our universe, Betelgeuse. This massive red supergiant, located in the Orion constellation, has been acting up, and some experts believe it could explode anytime soon. But what does that mean for us? Is Earth in danger? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Betelgeuse's potential explosion and how it could change our view of the cosmos forever. Betelgeuse is no ordinary star. It's a red supergiant, one of the largest types of stars in our galaxy. Located about 642 light-years away from Earth, it's over 700 times larger than our Sun. If Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, it would extend past the orbit of Jupiter. It's special not just because of its size, but because it's nearing the end of its life. Red supergiants burn their fuel rapidly, and Betelgeuse is expected to go supernova, an explosive stellar death, sometime in the near future. But what exactly does that mean, and how soon could it happen? Let's dig deeper. In recent years, Betelgeuse has shown some peculiar behavior that has astronomers buzzing. The star has been dimming unusually, which could be a sign of it preparing to go supernova. In late 2019 and early 2020, Betelgeuse's brightness dropped by about 25%, leading some to believe that the explosion was imminent. However, later studies suggested that this dimming was caused by a cloud of dust ejected from the star rather than an impending supernova. But despite this, Betelgeuse is still in its final stages of life, and an explosion is inevitable. The big question is, when? When Betelgeuse finally explodes, it will become one of the most spectacular astronomical events ever witnessed by humans. The supernova will be so bright that it will outshine the full moon and may even be visible during the daytime for weeks, possibly months. However, despite its brightness, we won't need to worry about any harmful effects. At 642 light-years away, Betelgeuse is far enough from Earth that its explosion won't cause any damage to our planet. The event will, however, give astronomers a rare opportunity to study a supernova up close and learn more about how stars live and die. One of the common questions is whether Betelgeuse going supernova could harm us. The good news is, it won't. Although the explosion will release an enormous amount of energy, it won't be close enough to affect Earth's atmosphere or pose any radiation threat. If Betelgeuse were closer, say, within 50 light-years, it could have disastrous consequences, but at 642 light-years away, we are safe. The only impact will be visual, with the night sky lit up by the stunning sight of the explosion. After Betelgeuse explodes, the core of the star will collapse, potentially forming a neutron star or even a black hole, depending on its mass. What's left behind will become a nebula, a cloud of gas and dust that will eventually give birth to new stars. This cosmic cycle of death and rebirth is one of the most fascinating aspects of astronomy, and Betelgeuse's explosion will be a perfect example of it. The supernova will also release heavy elements like iron and gold into space, contributing to the formation of future planets and even life. Betelgeuse has been observed by astronomers for centuries, and its unusual brightness and dimming patterns have always fascinated scientists. In fact, ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Egyptians mentioned Betelgeuse in their star charts. It wasn't until modern telescopes became available that astronomers were able to study it in detail. Since then, Betelgeuse has been closely monitored, especially because of its status as a red supergiant nearing the end of its life. In the 20th century, the star's fluctuations in brightness led to hypotheses that it could go supernova soon. The advancements in technology have allowed astronomers to watch for the telltale signs of its eventual demise, like the recent dimming that sparked global intrigue. Predicting the exact moment Betelgeuse will go supernova is challenging, but astronomers are keeping a close eye on several indicators. When a supergiant star is near its final explosion, it begins to behave unpredictably. There might be significant fluctuations in brightness, an increase in mass ejection, the release of gas and dust, and possibly even a burst of neutrinos, a nearly massless particle that escapes the star before it blows up. Neutrino detectors on Earth could give us a few hours or even days of warning before the supernova occurs. Right now, it's just a waiting game, but as technology improves, we may get better at anticipating such cosmic events. The explosion of a star like Betelgeuse offers scientists a wealth of data to study. When Betelgeuse goes supernova, astronomers will be able to observe how stars die, how heavy elements are formed, and how shock waves from the explosion affect the surrounding space. Supernovae play a crucial role in the formation of new stars and planetary systems, as they seed the universe with elements that are necessary for life. This means that observing Betelgeuse's supernova will help us understand the very building blocks of existence. Additionally, studying the light from the explosion could offer clues about distant galaxies and the expansion of the universe itself. Absolutely. When Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will be one of the brightest objects in the night sky. In fact, it could be so bright that it may even be visible during the day. The explosion will last for weeks, perhaps months, giving everyone a chance to witness it. Betelgeuse's supernova could be comparable in brightness to the full moon, though its light will slowly fade over time. This will be a once-in-a-lifetime event, and skywatchers all over the world are eagerly anticipating the day it happens. No telescope will be needed to enjoy this cosmic spectacle, just look up. Throughout history, we've observed several notable supernovae, such as the one in 1604, known as Kepler's supernova, and the famous Crab Nebula, which originated from a supernova observed in 1054. Betelgeuse is unique because of its sheer size and proximity to Earth. Most supernovae occur in galaxies much farther away, so their light is fainter and often visible only with telescopes. Betelgeuse's proximity makes it special because it's close enough to witness without specialized equipment, but far enough to not harm us. Its explosion will likely be the most spectacular supernova that modern humanity has ever seen. Astronomers have an arsenal of advanced tools ready to capture Betelgeuse's explosion when it happens. From ground-based observatories to space telescopes like Hubble and James Webb, every available instrument will be focused on the event. These telescopes will capture light across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from visible light to X-rays and gamma rays, providing a comprehensive look at the supernova's energy output. Additionally, radio telescopes will be able to observe the aftermath, tracking the nebula formed by the explosion for years to come. This will offer unprecedented insights into the life cycles of stars and the mechanics of a supernova. Betelgeuse is one of the most recognizable stars in the night sky because of its position in the Orion constellation. When it goes supernova, Orion will look quite different. Betelgeuse marks the upper left shoulder of the hunter, so when it explodes, there will be a bright flash in its place for some time, followed by the star fading completely from view. While this won't change the overall structure of Orion, it will certainly be noticeable. The disappearance of such a bright star from a well-known constellation will be a profound reminder of the dynamic, ever-changing nature of the cosmos. After Betelgeuse explodes, its core might collapse into a neutron star, or if it's massive enough, it could form a black hole. Black holes are one of the most mysterious objects in the universe, and Betelgeuse's supernova could offer insights into how they form. If a black hole is born from Betelgeuse, astronomers will be able to study how matter and light behave near it, giving us a rare chance to observe the processes at play in the creation of these cosmic giants. This would be one of the closest black holes to Earth and would be studied extensively by scientists for decades. Betelgeuse has long been a favorite star in science fiction, from its appearance in classic literature to modern-day movies and TV shows. Its looming supernova status makes it an intriguing backdrop for stories about space exploration, cosmic disasters, and the unknown. Some sci-fi authors have used Betelgeuse's eventual explosion as a plot point, imagining what might happen if humanity could witness such an event up close. It's also inspired the name of characters in popular culture, like the mischievous ghost Betelgeuse in the 1988 movie. The star's fame extends far beyond astronomy, cementing its place in both scientific and cultural history. Currently, predicting the exact timing of a supernova is difficult, but advances in technology could change that. As new telescopes and satellites come online, equipped with more sensitive detectors for neutrinos, gravitational waves, and other cosmic signals, our ability to forecast a star's demise could improve. The development of artificial intelligence to analyze massive amounts of data may also help astronomers identify patterns that precede a supernova. While we can't pinpoint the exact moment Betelgeuse will explode, these innovations will make future predictions more accurate, possibly giving us weeks or even months of advanced notice before such an event occurs. Betelgeuse's explosion could have significant implications for astrobiology, the study of life in the universe. When a star goes supernova, it disperses essential elements into space, including carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, key ingredients for life as we know it. The heavy elements produced in such explosions are vital for the formation of new planets, which may eventually host life. The shock wave from Betelgeuse's explosion could trigger the collapse of nearby molecular clouds, leading to the birth of new stars and planets rich in these life-supporting elements. This means that Betelgeuse's supernova will not only mark the end of one star, but could also be a catalyst for the emergence of new worlds. Betelgeuse is part of a category of stars known as red supergiants, which includes other famous stars like Antares and VY Canis Majoris. Astronomers use various methods to study these massive stars, including spectroscopy, which analyzes light from the star to determine its composition, temperature, and distance. Telescopes equipped with infrared capabilities can penetrate dust clouds to observe these stars in detail. Studying other red supergiants helps scientists understand the life cycles of these colossal stars, compare them to Betelgeuse, and refine their predictions about when these stars might explode. Throughout history, Betelgeuse has held cultural significance in various civilizations. In ancient Egypt, it was associated with the goddess Isis, while the Greeks referred to it as Alpha Orionis. Its prominent position in the night sky has made it a focal point for navigation and storytelling across cultures. In modern times, the star continues to inspire artists, writers, and dreamers, often serving as a symbol of mystery and the unknown. As Betelgeuse approaches its end, it represents not just an astronomical event, but also the enduring curiosity humanity has about the cosmos and our place within it. Once Betelgeuse explodes, it will evolve into a nebula, a cloud of gas and dust that is left behind after a supernova. Over thousands of years, this nebula will gradually dissipate into space, enriching the interstellar medium with heavy elements. Eventually, the remnants of Betelgeuse will contribute to the formation of new stars and planets, continuing the cycle of stellar evolution. This cosmic recycling process highlights the interconnectedness of the universe, illustrating how the death of one star can lead to the birth of others. The remnants of Betelgeuse may one day serve as the building blocks for new worlds, perhaps even those that could support life. While we wait for the day Betelgeuse finally goes supernova, there are plenty of ways to engage with the cosmos. Stargazing is a great way to connect with the universe, and you don't need to wait for Betelgeuse's explosion to enjoy it. Explore the night sky, identify constellations, and learn about other celestial bodies. You can also dive into astronomy books, join local astronomy clubs, or participate in online discussions. Moreover, engaging with educational content on platforms like YouTube can deepen your understanding of stars and the universe. The wait for Betelgeuse's supernova can be filled with exploration and discovery, making the eventual event even more thrilling. Understanding the physics of a supernova involves diving deep into nuclear fusion and stellar dynamics. A star like Betelgeuse generates energy through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms fuse into helium. As it exhausts its hydrogen fuel, it begins fusing heavier elements until it reaches iron. Iron fusion doesn't produce energy, leading to an imbalance. Eventually, The core collapses under gravity, triggering a catastrophic explosion that ejects the outer layers into space. This complex interplay of gravity, pressure, and nuclear reactions reveals much about the life cycles of stars and the universe's fundamental processes. By studying Betelgeuse's impending explosion, scientists hope to unlock further mysteries of stellar evolution. Neutrinos, nearly massless particles produced in massive quantities during a supernova, play a crucial role in our understanding of these cosmic events. When Betelgeuse goes supernova, an immense burst of neutrinos will escape the core before the explosion itself. Detecting these neutrinos here on Earth will offer a glimpse into the inner workings of the star and provide valuable data about the explosion's dynamics. Neutrino observatories around the world, such as Super Kamiokande in Japan, are prepared to capture these elusive particles. This research not only helps us understand supernovae better, but also contributes to the broader field of particle physics and our understanding of the universe. The supernova explosion of Betelgeuse could have interesting implications for space weather, the conditions in space influenced by solar activity and cosmic events. Although Betelgeuse is far enough away to avoid direct harm to Earth, the shockwaves and radiation emitted during the explosion could interact with the solar wind and the Earth's magnetic field. This interaction might lead to enhanced auroras, beautiful displays of light in the polar regions. While we might not experience severe effects, the beauty of the night sky could be amplified as a result of this cosmic event, reminding us of our place in the universe and the wonders it holds. As scientists eagerly await Betelgeuse's explosion, they are also looking for other nearby stars that might go supernova in the near future. Stars like Antares and Eta Carinae are also red supergiants, and astronomers are monitoring them closely. By studying these candidates, researchers hope to learn more about the factors that lead to supernovae, improving predictions for Betelgeuse and others. Each of these stars holds its mysteries, and understanding them could lead to breakthroughs in astrophysics. The search for nearby supernova candidates allows scientists to expand their knowledge of stellar evolution and the cosmic processes that govern the universe. If you're excited about the upcoming supernova and want to get involved in astronomy, there are plenty of avenues to explore. Many local observatories offer public viewings and star parties, where you can look through telescopes and learn from experienced astronomers. Joining online forums and communities can also be a great way to connect with fellow space enthusiasts. You can participate in citizen science projects, such as monitoring variable stars or contributing to databases that track celestial events. Engaging with astronomy books, documentaries, and educational courses can deepen your knowledge. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, there's always something new to learn about the universe. Understanding Betelgeuse's eventual explosion can also deepen our insights into the origins of the universe itself. The elements produced during a supernova contribute to the cosmic chemical enrichment of the universe. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will scatter heavy elements like gold, silver, and iron across space, contributing to the building blocks of future stars and planets. This process is part of a larger cycle that began with the Big Bang, where hydrogen and helium formed the first stars. The death of these stars through supernovae eventually led to the creation of the complex elements necessary for life. By studying Betelgeuse, we learn about our universe's evolutionary history and how stars contribute to the ongoing cosmic story. While Betelgeuse may not directly inform us about dark matter, its explosion could indirectly contribute to our understanding of this elusive substance. Dark matter is thought to make up a significant portion of the universe, yet it remains undetectable by conventional means. Observing the aftermath of Betelgeuse's supernova may help scientists refine models of stellar formation and the gravitational effects of dark matter in galaxies. Understanding how stars and their remnants interact with dark matter could provide valuable clues in the quest to identify what dark matter is and how it influences the universe's structure. Betelgeuse serves as a crucial case study in modern astrophysics. Its size, luminosity, and proximity make it an ideal candidate for understanding stellar evolution. Research on Betelgeuse's life cycle contributes to our knowledge of the life cycle of massive stars, helping to refine theoretical models of how they form, evolve, and eventually die. This research has implications for understanding other massive stars in our galaxy and beyond, enhancing our comprehension of the processes that shape the cosmos. As Betelgeuse approaches its end, the data gathered will help inform future studies of other stellar giants, making it a pivotal star in the field of astrophysics. Celestial events, especially ones as dramatic as a supernova, can have a profound psychological impact on humanity. The awe and wonder associated with witnessing something so monumental can inspire curiosity and a sense of connection to the universe. Betelgeuse's eventual explosion may reignite interest in astronomy and science among the public, encouraging individuals to explore the cosmos further. It can also serve as a reminder of our place in the universe and the fleeting nature of existence. As we watch Betelgeuse, we might find ourselves reflecting on our lives, our world, and the mysteries that lie beyond. As we await the inevitable supernova of Betelgeuse, it's a good time to reflect on how we can prepare to witness this cosmic event. Educating ourselves about the science behind supernova, familiarizing ourselves with astronomy resources, and discussing our excitement with others can enhance the experience. Keeping an eye on developments from astronomers and participating in local stargazing events will also enrich our understanding of the event when it finally occurs. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.